Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville 870XL, and the customer reported that the pressure was not high enough. And I noticed that the grind setting was at 6, which is pretty coarse. It'd be difficult to get good pressure and a good shot at a 6 probably. So I put it to a 1, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. So you can see we get good pressure. Nice thick shot of espresso. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.